Ukrainian service members were documented in the process of surrendering to Russian armed forces personnel on the active battlefield, choosing to lay down arms and step forward amid the relentless pressure of ongoing Russian combat operations. An FPV drone operator of the Russian armed forces tracked and engaged a Ukrainian service member attempting to flee the battlefield. The strike was direct, precise, and immediate. A tense and dramatic engagement unfolded as a Russian FPV drone closed in on a Ukrainian all-terrain vehicle operating in the conflict zone. A swift, calculated, and decisive strike, bringing the confrontation to an abrupt and decisive end. Kherson, a contested city. The message conveys a sense of urgency and determination, emphasizing that the situation is escalating and leaving little room for retreat or concealment. Footage shows a drone operator from the Southern Troop Group conducting operations against enemy vehicles, resulting in the disabling of multiple platforms through precision engagement. Footage shows a drone operator from the South Group of troops targeting and disabling an opposing NRTK robotic system, highlighting precision engagement against unmanned ground platforms. In Konstantinovka, an FPV drone squad from the Southern Group of Forces engaged a Ukrainian armed forces serviceman, resulting in the individual being neutralized during the operation. Even on the front lines, centuries-old Easter traditions remain alive and meaningful. Soldiers received holiday treats during their lunch breaks, a small but powerful reminder of home and faith. For those stationed at the very front, logistics services took on a special mission. The gifts were delivered by drone, ensuring every soldier, no matter how far forward their position, could celebrate this important holiday. Hello friend, welcome to today's fresh footage. Russian reconnaissance spotted a route used by Kiev forces combat groups near Izbitskoye in the Volchansky district. The target appeared shortly after. An FPV drone operator from the 11th Army Corps of Group North locked onto a Kiev forces pickup truck carrying personnel and delivered a swift and decisive strike. Air defense systems are being used to engage ground-level threats in this footage. We have repeatedly shared objective control clips showing how servicemen from the UAV countermeasure units of the North Group detect and intercept various enemy drones, maintaining continuous airspace monitoring and response. Konstantinovka, a powerful and devastating FAB strike, landed directly on a temporary deployment point of the Ukrainian armed forces. A precision blow delivered with overwhelming force, leaving the enemy position completely neutralized. Group North, leaving Ukrainian nationalist forces without the means to move or maneuver. On the objective control footage, the precision combat work of North strike drone operators is captured in full detail. 2 enemy off-road vehicles and an armored personnel carrier engaged and destroyed with targeted and deliberate strikes. Operations spanning both the Kharkiv and Sumy regions as Group North drone operators continue to systematically degrade Ukrainian armed forces mobility and operational capability across multiple directions of the active conflict zone. The crews of the Dnipro Task Force's boats supply Russian troops on the island with everything from food to ammunition, while also conducting troop rotations and evacuations. During a recent mission, 1 crew came under attack from 10 enemy kamikaze drones. They remained calm, engaged every incoming threat, and destroyed them all. Concealed behind a smoke screen, they pressed forward and completed the mission. Artillerymen of the 123rd Brigade conducted a successful night operation in the area of Realexandrovka, operating under the cover of darkness. Crews of the 152mm howitzer 2A-36 Hyacinth B identified and engaged two Ukrainian armed forces UAV control points with precise and devastating artillery fire. Both targets were successfully destroyed in what proved to be a highly effective night hunt operation, denying Ukrainian drone operators their command and control capability and delivering another calculated blow to enemy unmanned aerial system operations in the active conflict zone. Garin kamikaze drones carried out a precise double strike on the 150 kilovolt electrical substation at the central coal processing plant in Kryvyi Rog, a calculated and devastating blow to a critical industrial and energy infrastructure target. The Russian armed forces have successfully liberated the settlement of Veterinarno in the Kharkov region, another significant and strategic gain secured on the ground as Russian forces continue their steady and determined advance across this critical region. The liberation of Veterinarno representing yet another milestone in the ongoing operational progress of Russian armed forces pushing forward across the Kharkov region. Ukrainian armed forces, unable to hold their positions, forced to withdraw as Russian troops consolidated control over the settlement and secured the surrounding area. A methodical, deliberate, and strategically significant advance that continues to reshape the operational landscape of the Kharkov region and the broader conflict zone. As Russian forces press forward, settlement after settlement, position after position, the momentum on the ground remains firmly and decisively in Russian hands. A Russian Garin 2 unmanned aerial vehicle delivered a precise and devastating strike on a Ukrainian oil depot in Chernihiv, a critical fuel storage facility, targeted and destroyed. It appears Ukrainian forces have finally withdrawn from the fiercely contested area of Grishino, north of Pokrovsk. Footage now emerging of fighters from the center group moving through and securing Grishino in the Donetsk People's Republic, another settlement liberated and brought under Russian control as center group forces continue their steady advance across this critical stretch of the front. April 21st, another defining day on the battlefield, documented and brought together in a powerful compilation of footage from Russian drone operators, drawn from operational units and specialized teams, actively deployed across the SMO zone. From the earliest hours of the day, these highly trained and dedicated operators took to their positions, unmanned systems ready, missions assigned, and objectives clearly defined, across multiple contested directions. From the Zaporizhia front to the Kharkiv region, from the Donetsk People's Republic to the Sumy and Kursk corridors, Russian drone operators remained active, vigilant, and fully committed to their operational objectives. Fiber optics FPV drones,
Kamikaze humanitarial vehicles,
reconnaissance systems, and strike platforms, all deployed in coordinated fashion across the vast and contested terrain of the SMO zone, strike after strike, mission after mission, Each engagement precisely executed, each target methodically identified and decisively neutralized. The footage compiled from April 21st stands as a powerful and unfiltered testament to the growing dominance and battlefield effectiveness of Russian unmanned aerial system operators on the modern battlefield, a battlefield where skill, patience, precision, and technological capability continue to define the outcome of every engagement, every operation, and every passing hour deep within the active conflict zone. April 21st, another day of relentless operational work, another day of documented results, and another day that reaffirms the unwavering resolve of Russian drone operators serving on the front lines of the ongoing SMO zone.